Now, amid the tensions in Middle East, the MEA has activated 24/7 control room. Emergency lines have been opened up for Indians who are currently in Iran. The Ministry of External Affairs has issued helpline numbers as well. The Indian embassy in Iran is on alert, with India monitoring the West Asia crisis. WhatsApp numbers have also been shared for emergency. In fact, this is the embassy of India that has issued a statement. This is from the embassy in Tel Aviv, and this is the message that it says: Embassy of India in Tel Aviv is in touch with members of the Indian community in Israel, including caregivers, workers, students, businessmen and tourist groups. All necessary measures are being taken to ensure their safety and well-being. The embassy continues to monitor the situation closely and is in regular touch with the Israeli authorities. So, emergency numbers being launched in Iran, in Israel as well. The embassy is getting in touch with the Indians in the country. As you know, national emergency announced by the government of Israel is in place. Airspace is closed. All Indian nationals are once again advised to stay vigilant, strictly avoid any unnecessary movement and adhere to safety protocols as advised by the Israeli authorities and Home Front Command. Safety and security of Indian nationals is paramount for us. Our helplines are functional 24/7. So in Israel as well, helpline numbers have been issued. The numbers have been given here as well, asking anybody who needs any help to get in touch with the Indian embassy. So this is a notification that has been issued. So in Israel as well as Iran, the embassies are getting in touch with the Indians there. All right, now Israel, meanwhile, as we speak about what happened during live TV, the visuals of which are playing on the screens now, Israel has made a counterclaim. While Iran claimed that the TV station has been hit, Israel has said that right below there was a platform promoting military operations, and that's the reason why Israel struck this particular location, saying the center's activities were carried out under the direct guidance and mission of the Revolutionary Guard. Israel continues to maintain that they have no intention of targeting civilians, in fact saying that it is Iran that they believe is actually targeting their civilians.
לפני מספר שעות תקפנו את מרכז התקשורת של המשטר האיראני ששימש את הכוחות המזוינים של איראן. המרכז שהותקף משמש כרשות השידור האיראנית. על פי המודיעין שבידינו, המרכז שימש את כוחות לקידום פעולות צבאיות בקסות אמצעים ונכסים אזרחיים. פעילות המרכז התבצעה בשליחות והכוונה ישירה של משמרות המהפכה. המשמרות המהפכה קורא לאורך שנים להשמדת מדינת ישראל ולרצח העם. טרם התקיפה הזהרנו את האוכלוסייה במרחב ופינינו אותה כדי למנוע ככל הניתן את הפגיעה בבלתי מעורבים. מדובר בפגיעה נוספת ביכולות הצבאיות של משמרות המהפכה.